top off. I'm dripping like hot sauce. I got drink and it's clean raw. Baby, give me that mean mouth. Hit that pussy like golf ball. I can do this without y'all. Carlos, I go loco. I go back to the drop.
All right, chat. So right now we are getting ready to go inspect a property that one of my students found inside of my program. And the coolest part is he's actually outside to pick me up right now because I am in Fort Lauderdale, or in Hollywood, Florida, I guess I should say right now, to inspect the property with him. So I came here for a trip just to check out some of my buddies' Airbnbs and some of my students. I'm actually in one of my other students' Airbnbs right now. And I told my coaching program and the students inside of my one-on-one mentorship, and I said, hey bro, if you find any properties in Hollywood, Florida while I'm here, let me know, we can go inspect them together. And I have like 3 students out here who have already set inspections for us. So I have one of the students who are outside right now, he's coming to pick me up. And we're about to go inspect this property together. I'm gonna take you guys with me. The homeowner is not gonna be here on this one, so I'm gonna actually be able to record the entire time and show you guys how I'm analyzing furniture, how I'm looking at things, how I'm inspecting properties. We'll have the inspection sheet open as well so we can go through it together. And the really, really cool part about this is I am gonna be bringing my student a gift. Okay, this is a limited time, limited edition MMM shirt. Okay, this is the slogan right here, more time, more money, more freedom, with my signature at the bottom with the logo. We don't really make a lot of white t-shirts like this, so I'm gonna be giving him that gift at the end of the inspection to let him know how much I appreciate him. He's picking me up. Yesterday we met up at his apartment complex. He bought me this cool protein drink. So yeah, man, this is what I live for. I love this shit, and let's get it. There's a lot of construction out here. Yo! Oh. Yeah, open this door. I brought you a gift, bro. I can't have you see it yet. We're gonna be vlogging, bro. Ugh. Say what's up to the YouTube.
What up, YouTube?
Let's get it, bro. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's fucking do this shit, man. Dude, I was sleeping last night. I was fast asleep. And I heard this fire hydrant burst, right? I didn't actually know it was a fire hydrant. It was like a massive, like, it felt like a bomb, bro. I heard the ground shake.
That's what they're building here?
Yeah, so then I woke up and I saw that there's a massive flood literally in the streets everywhere. And now they're like repairing the flood.
Let's see how we get out of here, bro.
Yeah, I don't even know how we can get out of here. We're like stuck. So my buddy's Airbnb is right here. He's actually one of my students inside the program. Okay. This is the guy who has the quadplex. So he has a boat slip in the back and he runs his charter company, his yacht company in the back. And so I've been, I stayed a night at his property to kind of check it out. I was here, so I was like, fuck it. All right, so give a breakdown, a rundown on this property, because I was with you like yesterday. How did you even find this property, bro? Like, you literally found it within 24 hours.
So once I met up with you, you gave me some motivation, man, that I just stayed locked in the computer and I went in there, started to look around the area using your methods, and I ran into this home that had a description says, owner willing to consider subletting for future investors. So that's something that was a green light, and
Cha-ching.
I went ahead and gave them a call, set up a tour, and that's where we're headed to today.
Bet. So what are the numbers, bro? What's the rent look like on this property? It's in Hollywood, Florida. Does it got a pool? Like, what are the amenities? Like, let's start with the amenities and stuff first, and then we'll get into the financials. What does it look like?
Yeah. So straight from the dome, what I remember, it's a 4-bed, 2-bath, and it charges $4,000 in rent. The numbers on AirDNA, they project annual revenue of $84,000, which divided by 12 months of the year, I'm profiting $4,000 without counting expenses. So that's almost 200% cash on cash return there.
Okay, how much in profit again?
It would be about close to 3,000 or 4,000 profit without expenses.
Oh, okay. All right, and then after expenses, how much are you taking home?
After expenses, I'm looking at about 2,500 to 2,000. Depends on what I can do myself. Whether I find cheap cleaners or I clean the home myself.
Is the property furnished?
It's furnished.
So you don't have to pay anything up front in furniture costs?
No, all that I have to pay is the upfront cost of first month and a security deposit, potentially last month, but we'll negotiate what the terms are.
Okay, dope. So first month's rent is how much?
First month's 4,000.
4,000.
Just like all months.
4,000, and then 4,000. Usually, like on the single family houses, what they'll do is for the security deposit, they'll charge 100% of first month's rent. For apartments, it's like 10% of first month's rent, but for single family houses, homeowners will charge like an equivalent to first month's rent. So you're gonna have to pay 4,000 for rent, 4,000 for security deposit. So that's 8 bands up front. But how much are you saving in furniture because it's already furnished?
100%, because $0 will go to furniture.
How big is the house? How much do you think you're gonna save in furniture?
Since the house measures about 1,200 square feet.
It's about like 10. You're saving around like 10K in furniture.
Yeah.
Yeah, around 10K in furniture. So that's dope. At least you don't have to pay for that. That's a fire deal. See, guys, if you find properties that are furnished, your cash-on-cash return will be a lot higher because you'll make your ROI back a lot sooner. So 200% cash-on-cash is crazy, but let's go check the property out. What are we listening to?
No me lo imagino, hacértelo fue de 0 a 100, pero no sé si esto está bien. Quiero tenerte bebé y no perder mi tiempo. No puedo olvidar.
Alright guys, we just got to the property. These are the numbers right here. We got $84,000 a year in projected revenue. The occupancy is 64%. And the ADR is $360 per night. And this is the house. So let's go check it out. And we got the inspection checklist right here. Christian's got it all ready, so he's gonna be taking notes as we walk the house. You excited, brother?
First one.
Let's go check it out. Make sure the neighborhood's not ghetto, you know? All right, and that concludes the fucking inspection. So we're gonna break down exactly how to inspect a property A to Z. We're gonna go through the entire checklist. So if you guys are watching this video, take notes because I'm gonna show you exactly what to look for when you're inspecting an Airbnb property. And if you're not local to do this in person, you can hire an inspector or a handyman on taskrabbit.com to easily do this for you, okay? So first thing first, what are we doing?
Make sure the water pressure is up to standards.
Checking the water pressure, guys. All up in the house, all right? Let's check it out. This is what I call like a grade B plus A. I would say this is a grade A home, right? The outside of the home might look chopped, but the inside looks really good. for sure gonna do something here. That's got to be like string lights and shit. Little sitting
bonfire.
Yeah, bonfire area, right? Nice little palm trees. Yeah. So like this is something that like it'll do well. It just needs a little bit of, I don't know, just a little bit of, you know what I mean? So. Pretty solid. Outlets are obviously working. Yeah. This is solid as fuck. Just got done inspecting the property. It's pretty good property overall. What would you say, bro? I would rate that like 8 out of 10.
Yeah, it's pushing 10. Like it. The inside.
Gotta go grab some food and run the numbers now. So let's get it. So guys, the property we just looked at apparently is already on Airbnb. So we're gonna take a look at why it's not doing well. So obviously they're not getting as many bookings in the calendar. You can see their calendar is empty. So we need to figure out why their calendar is empty. These pictures obviously look pretty bland. Like there's no key factor here. Like this doesn't really draw the naked eye and like doesn't grab really my attention at all. These pictures are super plain and bland. This is listed by a property management company. I know Evolve, very familiar with them, and they just don't give a shit. So what we're gonna do is obviously we're going to, thanks bro, we're going to add string lights. We're going to do a little patio set here. We're going to do outdoor barbecue, outdoor chairs, outdoor tables. We're really going to pimp this picture out. Like there's just so much potential here that they're missing out on, like string lights around this little border right here that you can really add on to make the photos pop. Plus, they're not pricing their property correctly at all, bro. They're charging $450 per night on a Monday. Like, that's not, they don't know how to dynamically price and gradiently price their property at all. So, like, for example, they're charging, let's see. They're charging less during the weekends than they are on the weekdays. So this property management company is obviously garbage. We're going to beat them out. I'm not worried. And our food just came. First time eating shawarma?
First time. Hopefully not the only time.
Yeah, but that's going to be easy, bro. We're going to... Let's look at the other comps though. Let's see how the other comps are going.
I don't have air DNA though.
Bro, this lab meat is so fucking good, bro. Fuck. Yeah. I'm gonna wash my hands.
Yeah, go ahead, bro. Thanks for taking the time, bro.
I got a gift for you. Can you guess what it is?
A property. No, I'm just kidding.
Well, that's something you already paid for. That's why you're in the program. Yeah, we're gonna get you that for sure. But like, I got another gift for you, bro. That very few of our students actually have. I wanted to give to you, bro. I've had the pleasure of meeting you in person. So, can you guess what it is?
A book.
That's a pretty good guess. It's not bad. Nah, bro, I got you this.
Brother.
Your very own MMM shirt.
More time, more money, more freedom.
Hold it up, bro. There you go, bro. That's limited merch, bro. There's only we only made 5 of those, and 4 of them went to our team, and then I had one extra. So and it was in my suitcase. So I was like, you know what, bro?
Hey, brother.
I'm gonna give it to you, bro.
I'm gonna wear it with pride, bro.
Wear it with pride. Wear it to the group coaching calls every Monday and Wednesday, bro. Let all of our other students know.
Good thing, man. All right.
All right. Anyways, dude, I'm about to go inside right now and actually go over the comps of your property. And then what we'll do tomorrow is let's set up another call with the homeowner at like 10 a.m.
Yeah.
I'll set an alarm. I'll set an alarm for myself, 10 a.m. And then we'll jump on. We'll do a three-way. And we'll see what we can do, bro.
All right.
Let's get this deal closed out. Thanks for the ride.
Yeah.
All right.
Time, bro.
And till next time. Yep. Oh, man. What a cool guy. I like Christian. Christian joined our program like 3 weeks ago. He joined the one-on-one. And we're already helping him get some properties. He moves quick. He moves really, really fast. And I like the urgency. That's exactly what we look for in a student, is someone who's willing to move urgent, willing to move with speed, because speed is everything in this game. And yeah, bro. So he's gonna be really successful. I'm really excited for him. And yeah. But that pretty much concludes the entire Airbnb tour. I just got back to one of our other Airbnbs in Hollywood that my student has. Let's see if he's out here. So my student has a quadplex in Hollywood, Florida, and he parks all of his boats here too, because he owns a yacht charter business, and so he does short-term rentals on yachts, cars, and now Airbnbs, because he's renting like 2 of the units out on Airbnb. Let's see if he's here.
What's going on, bro?
What's up, bro? I was just talking about you on the vlog.
Yes, sir.
I was like, yo, my buddy got STRs on the yachts, the cars, and the Airbnbs.
Yes, sir. Got everything live.
Bro's got his own fucking store here. This is insane. So like whenever any of his clients come from to like rent out a yacht for the day, like they have to walk through that door to get to the boat slip. And obviously they're gonna pass this store, and he turned one of the units into a store. And so like I was literally here earlier and bro was printing off the vapes, the Red Bulls, all that shit, bro.
The world is not real.
Anyways, guys, that concludes the vlog. Tomorrow is gonna be a crazy day. Tomorrow I'm actually meeting up with like 3 Airbnb coaches. Meeting up with Haley, Donish, and Aurelio. If you know them, they all live in Fort Lauderdale. So, about to link up with them. Yeah, so let's get it. Thanks for tuning in, y'all. Peace.